So welcome back, everyone. So we are in the platform which we will be using for our AI orchestration, and we'll be setting up this particular platform for all our AI agents deployment, and we'll do our stuff here. Believe me, this is one of the best platforms to start your AI journey because of many reasons. And one of the best reason to start on this platform is it gives you 14 days free trial, and it will give you all the triggers, all the nodes which you need to start automating through AI agent, right? So once you are in this particular website, n8n.io, you will see this particular page being displayed, right? And what you have to do is that go to get started and provide your credentials there. And it's a very easy step. When you put your credentials in, all the details are filled in, and once you are signed in, it will come to this particular page, and you will see this particular dashboard which I am seeing now. So you can see like it's 14 days left in your free trial. So in these 14 days, you can literally master this AI agent automation and start your own setups, own deliverables, own business. So my first assignment to you will be to create this particular credentials, log into this particular platform, reach to this particular page, and go to the next chapter. Okay, I will see you in the next chapter. Bye.